So welcome back to the channel, guys. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comment, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Also guys, you can also join membership program, our YouTube membership program, to get more instant exclusive updates. You'll also be going live with us and more, right? So you can check the channel to subscribe to the membership program. Now let's take a look at what market will be doing for us for the week on our AUD USD. Now I told you guys last week when we did this analysis on USDJ, AUD USD, right? If you've not watched the analysis we did last week, you can go back to the channel to watch it. I told you guys clearly that AUD USD will give us a bullish move for the week, and this is exactly what market did. Markets eventually give us a bullish move. You can see that markets open and close bullish for the AUD USD. Guess what? Markets will be doing for us this week. We would also be expecting a bullish move this week on our USD. So we will be expecting AUD USD to actually open and close bullish for this week that I are predicting also. So guys, this week will also be a bullish move for us on our AUD USD. So now take a look at it. This is week 1 of markets opening and closing bullish. Here comes the week 2 of markets opening and closing bullish. This is week 3 of markets opening and closing bullish. Week 4 of markets opening and closing bullish. Week 5 of it opening and closing bullish. This is week 6 of market opening and closing bullish. Now on this week 7, we will be expecting market to actually open and close bullish for our week 7. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting in our AUD USD. So AUD USD will be giving us a bullish move for you. Now guys, whatever you want to be doing on your AUD USD, you will be answering by anticipating for a bullish move to the upside. That is exactly what we are expecting. Now guys, take a look at this moment right here, what AUD USD did, because this was the impulsive move that AUD USD did give us, right? Then here comes the corrective phase. Now this is also the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Now this is also what? The impulsive move, and here comes the corrective phase. Now you can see there was a multiple rejection at this zone, right? Market was able to give us that impulsive move, and here comes the corrective phase. Now this is also what? Another impulsive move. So guess what? This impulsive move continue. That is to tell you that we will be expecting more bullish move on our AUD USD. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. So now guys, this move right on our AUD USD market will continue. Now guys, also take a look at this to be you know an option move, right? Have this an higher high, then we will have this which is an higher low, then this comes the higher high, right? You all know the movement. Then here is the higher low, then this is our higher high, and here is the higher low, right? Now market, if you are to zoom it in also, you see that this is a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now this is also what's a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Right, this is the higher low. So with this movement, we will be expecting market to continue to short it to form a new higher high by taking out this high right here. So a new higher high is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. The mark AUD USD is able to take out this previous high, right? So that is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. So whatever you go to be doing on AUD USD, going for the buy, a bullish move is what we will be expecting on our AUD USD. Now guys, let's zoom it out on our 4-hour time frame. This is a multiple rejection zone here, guys. This is a multiple rejection zone. So market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, right? Right, this is a multiple rejection zone. So market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, but market was able to push up right here. Then a pullback was made. But market then was able to push up again. And then this is a pullback that came to give us the 4 higher low, right? 4 higher low. Market was able to push up again, and this is the pullback phase. Now we will be expecting market to what? Continue to push up again. So it is able to take out this high, also take out this high. So guys, a continuous bullish move, what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your AUD USD, going for the buy, right? I repeat, going for the buy, right, on your AUD USD. So bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our AUD USD. Now guys, let's go down to our 1-hour time frame, guys. Let's go down to our 1-hour time frame. So guys, this is it right on our 1 hour time frame. Markets rejected from this zone right here. Markets rejected from this zone right here. Now, before market pushed up right, market was able to come back, pull back right here, right? Expecting market to pull back, and then we will expect it to push up again. That is exactly what we are going to be expecting, right? So if market comes back to tap the support level, then we would expect it to actually go bullish again, give us a bullish move, and it should be to tap this resistance level. So guys, above all, a bullish move, what we are going to be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on your